Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to redeem an Amazon gift card. First thing first, if you're doing it on the app, open the Amazon shopping app and tap on the person icon at the bottom to open your account. Scroll to gift card balance and tap the arrow next to it, then tap redeem another gift card. Enter your gift card code or scan it with your camera, then tap apply and your balance will be updated instantly. If you're on the website, go to Amazon.com and hover over to Accounts and List. Click Account, then select Gift Cards. Click Redeem a gift card and enter your gift card code and hit Apply. A shortcut, you can also redeem directly at checkout. Under Add a gift card or promotion code, type your code and click Apply. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.